Wishing you a very happy day. Here we are from Wonder World Montessori School channel, and I'm going to give you a short summary on the lesson environmental pollution. So if you like the channel, kindly subscribe for it and don't forget to press the bell icon. Here we are, beginning with the lesson environmental pollution. As you all know, our environment consists of living and non-living things like air, water, land, plants and animals. Over time, humans have carried out various activities to suit their needs that have caused changes in the environment. And the harm caused to the environment is called the pollution. There are four main types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. So let's start with air pollution. As you are seeing on the screen, we are seeing a sandstorm. So the sand is the pollutant which is polluting the air which we are breathing, and it causes harm. Then there are many such types of pollutions which are being caused in the air. So here we are going with a volcanic eruption, and due to that smoke is there, and then we have the again the volcanic eruption is there, then there is fire, forest fire, lots of smoke and dust in the air, and then here we have, this is what we are getting of our civilization, or as we are progressing. These are factory chimneys which are giving smoke, and this smoke affects us quite a lot. Here the using of cars constantly and the smoke coming out affects us. And crackers, it causes noise pollution as well as air pollution. Now next is water pollution. For water, when harmful substances are discharged into water bodies, they cause water pollution. Fresh water, salty water and groundwater can be polluted. Now what are the causes of this pollution? Water pollution is caused by many of the human activities. Basically, human is only responsible for causing 80% of the, or we can say 99% of the pollution. We dump chemical waste of the factories into the water bodies, dumping household waste there, bathing and clothing, bathing and washing clothes in it, and there is leakage from oil tankers. So all this causes the pollution of water. Here you can see lots of garbage out there, and this is causing the water pollution. Now next we come to land pollution. Now land pollution, so as I was talking about land pollution, we can see so much of garbage we dispose on the land. Solid waste such as garbage, refuses from the forest and agriculture, refuses from the mine, these all make the soil infertile. It also harms the organisms living in the soil. And after this, there is another type of pollution, and that is noise pollution. Everybody is tuned to, everybody knows what is noise pollution. Excessive and unpleasant sound in our environment is called noise pollution. Now, noise is harmful to all living things. It causes stress, irritation, and can lead to loss of hearing also. The intensity of sound is measured in decibel. The softest sound which we can hear is 20 decibel, and the loudest sound which we can hear is 90 decibel. So, this noise pollution is caused by car and bus horns, loudspeakers, home appliances such as vacuum cleaner, washing machines, and many air conditioners, mixie grinders. All this causes the noise pollution. And the firecrackers, this cause the sound pollution also, and as well as the air pollution. So I am sure you might be clear with the pollutions, the four types of pollution we are going through, and it is human who is causing the 80 or 90% of pollution. So let's take a pledge today that we will be very careful while using or disposing the garbage. With this, thank you so much. Here we are from Wonder World Montessori School channel, and wish you a very happy day.